It is 27 degrees right now at 11 o'clock in New Orleans. I'm sleeping while I crashed at my friend's house last night because my heater went out and it's really cold in there. So since they let me crash here, we're going to downtown and go check out the house floats. Pretty cool. You want to see my room? Nothing. Not a damn thing. Just my clothes and the floor and my laptop. My laptop's burnt up. And Netflix. Yeah. So let's go. Let's go check it out.
Give me your life. Give me your summer. Give me your night. Give me your summer.
Mardi Gras has been officially canceled down here in New Orleans. Kinda, sorta. You hear the music back there? That's at Commander's Palace. Very famous place. But man, it is just so weird. Today is Mardi Gras and nothing's going on. No parades, no vendors, no places on the corner where you get hot dogs and popcorn and stuff like that. It's all dead. It's dead. It's a damn shame. It's sad in New Orleans. Right now we're looking at some house floats. Since Mardi Gras is being canceled, they people just decorating their houses right now, just like Christmas. Again, it's really weird right now. Really, really weird. Not seeing anybody on St. Charles. Dead to the world. I'm down here on St. Charles. Guess what's wrong with this picture? Nothing. There's nothing going on. They jamming over there. Oh, during Mardi Gras, this will all be nothing but people just standing there waiting for the parades coming. Nothing. Cantrell canceled Mardi Gras this year in New Orleans. This is so weird. Really weird. It is cold out here. It's 20 degrees. Man, I don't know. I don't even remember it being this cold out here. Oh, Lord. Look, I'm gorilla styling this stuff. Almost said the S word. Oops. I'm gorilla styling it. In and out. I'm heading back to my car. We'll go travel up a little bit further up and see what's going on. No. Can you see my breath? All right, I'm getting in the car where it's nice and warm.
You say take me on a treasure hunt. I long for something new. Have you heard the fairies when they sing and dance? Oh, I wish it was me every night. When I close my eyes, I see beauty lives in me. I know I don't yet know it, so I trust you when you say that beauty lives in me too.
Okay. All right. I'm in the heart of the French Quarter. I'm on Toulouse Street. You want to see something crazy? Now, right over there is Bourbon Street. Let's go check it out. So this is Bourbon Street, ladies and gentlemen. Look, it is empty. About this time, there'd be like thousands and thousands and thousands of people. Not this year. COVID done shut it down. This is weird. This is like really, really, really weird. Man, I've never seen it like this. This is like something out of the apocalypse or Armageddon, whatever you want to call it. But the cops are happy. They ain't got to deal with all these idiots or drunks all day long. But watch next year. Next year is going to be epic and crazy. People down the street doing their own little parades. They're not supposed to be doing that. But look, there's no restaurants are open. Nobody's selling alcohol. The street's quiet. No music. No nothing. You can't even go to the grocery store that's on the corner and get alcohol. You can get like food, but that's about it. That's it. Wow. Amazing. Amazing. Everybody's just stopping and just taking pictures of Bourbon Street because there's nothing going on. Well, I'm heading home because it's still way too cold. I just want to show y'all how Mardi Gras is dead this year. Nothing. Nada. Zilch. Sun came out though, but it's still like 30 degrees out. It's cold. I'm heading home. See if my heater's back on. Haven't done a vlog in a while, so if you notice, I keep looking over at the LCD screen. I never thought in my lifetime I would ever see this. Sad. Sad, sad day for New Orleans.